So let's get right into these details. So this wig is from Unice Hair, Unice, everything is nice. This is what came inside the box. We have some lashes, a lace band, I think a makeup brush, and a wig cap. But y'all, this wig, this beautiful wig, it is a 13x4 transparent lace. The knots came bleached, it came lightly plucked, and we're not gonna do anything to her but put her on our head. It has an adjustable strap so it can be worn glueless, and this color is so pretty. I'm in love, and I love how it looks on my skin tone. So hi again, I am Ash Takeoff. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're a returner, what it do, baby boo. I went ahead and threw on a wig cap and threw this wig right on. Y'all, I can definitely wear this hair glueless, but I am going to be installing using my Eben Wonder lace. So just something quick. This wig did have a little room in the back, so for my little head friendly gals or gents, y'all, it's average head friendly, but we gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna make this work. I am going in with my hot comb just to get that hair out of the way so I can melt this lace down. Once I do that, sometimes I like to put my hair in a ponytail so I can get it kind of tugged and sitting how I want before I add my product of choice. So go ahead and push back that lace. This is how you can see where you're going to put your product. In this case, it's going to be my Eben. I am going in with a makeup remover wipe just to get that excess makeup off because I did use some on the lace. Here's the Eben. We're going to spray it on the hairline that we want. Eben Wonder Lace does dry quickly, but I like to use my fan. I couldn't find it. I had to go run and get it. But here's the fan, y'all. Dollar Tree, $1.25. But I'm just going to use that for probably about 10 seconds to give the Eben a chance to kind of do what it do. Then I'm going to pull that lace right on down and use my comb to melt it and mush it on in. I also do a light layer of Eben on top. This is when I want a longer hold, y'all. This will literally last me probably up to 5 days with proper maintenance. So this is what I do, and I love it. I really do. Once I do that, I'm going to go back in with that lace band and kind of put it on lightly. It doesn't need to be a tight tug on it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cut this lace off after it sits for about 5 minutes. Listen, me and this wax stick has a love-hate relationship because if you use too much, your hair is going to be, y'all know what I mean. So just be light with the wax stick, but it does wonders with a hot comb. Nice little combo. I'm still not a professional when it comes to cutting the lace off. I just know to take my time and don't cut myself because Lord knows I don't cut myself a few times. But I'm using my scissors. I do want to get some of those like fingernail scissors, you know, like the small ones. I'm going to try that one day. So for now, I'm just cutting it off with these scissors. If you experience a white cast, it's okay. Go back in with a little bit of your adhesive spray and just put it directly on where you see that white cast. I like to put my melt band back on while I style this hair. So I did do some light little loose curls in this hair, nothing major, but you guys would just see me brushing through the hair, putting in some light curls, and even doing some flip overs with it. So stay tuned to the rest of the video so you guys can check that out. I did go in and brush out some of those curls because I really wanted that like loose, like beach feel. I mean, it gave what it was supposed to give because I'm in love with it. You guys can definitely see how it turned out. Thank you so much to Unice Hair, Unice, everything's nice. All the information on this hair will be down below in my description box. And you guys, this hair is so cute. OMG. Oh my, I just love it. I just love it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to come take off with me because we're just going to be popping on this journey. And y'all, don't mind the GT in the background. You know it's always family riders over here all day, every day. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties.